Kedgeree is a dish consisting of cooked flaked fish. Traditionally, smoked haddock is used, but for my particular dish, I am using smoked kippers since a pack is always set aside in my fridge. Other folks tend to use salmon, mackerel, or even tuna, although these options are not the traditional version. It is a concoction of boiled rice, curry powder, boiled eggs, butter, or even cream is added on those special occasions. It is mainly eaten for breakfast, hot or cold, depending on the mood you're in. However, it is great to eat at dinner time too. So Kedgeree is a British adaptation on the dish Khichdi, originating from India, consisting of rice and lentils. Obviously, the British once again were simply unable to leave the poor dish alone, adding the protein element of fish to the dish. Conveniently enough, in the UK, kipper fillets tend to come with a knob of butter, so that comes in handy when you want to lightly fry it off in a frying pan. Next off, dice half an onion nice and finely, and also a small garlic clove too, just to flavour the dish. Thinly slice 2 mushrooms up, and that will be added to the dish later on as well. After about 3 to 4 minutes of lightly frying your kipper fillets, add them to a plate, allow them to cool, and add the onion and garlic mix to the same pan with a tablespoon of mild curry powder. You can add a hotter curry powder if you like things spicier. Just add a glug more of olive oil to it as well. Continuously stir it in so this avoids the onion from burning, and also add in the sliced mushrooms. Add in a small handful of frozen peas to the frying pan, place the kettle on and add the water to a small saucepan so you can boil your egg for roughly around 4 to 5 minutes if you want a soft boiled egg, that is. Add the cooked basmati rice to the pan and stir until well combined. Now there are different variations out there where some people use uncooked rice and add that straight to the frying pan with some stock added to it, which I have done in a previous video during lockdown days. I did a smoked mackerel version somewhere on my YouTube channel, you will find it. But Kedgeree is a perfect dish to use up any leftover rice. So just add some water to the dish so it avoids the rice sticking to the pan too much, and flake over the cooked kippers.